So, I don't know where I'm going to sit for this. I have to sit down here. Hi. So, here is the Dalek, and we have the cannon finally. I've had to stick this on with glue because the magnets didn't work. But he's looking pretty good. He's all weathered up and everything. But instead of giving the usual tour of very quick update, I'm doing something a bit different today. For I present you with a live from the workshop, so cut to me on how we made this beautiful cannon. Okay, so, it's very odd to say hello everyone, we're live and do all the live from the workshop stuff, but obviously not doing it that time. So, what we have here, this is the cannon, and now, I have cheated slightly, I do apologise for that. I made up, that's my paintbrush, I've already made up the parts of the cannon. This is obviously, none of this is glued together, so I do have to be careful. So I have the basic cannon shape, and I also have some plasticard poles that I'm going to be using for the rods on the outside. Now, as I said, I have cheated slightly on this because I have already made all of this. I was going to make this all on the video, but I mean, just to put all these bits together and cut them out and everything, it took. I mean, that took me at least a good 4 hours or so. It just wouldn't have been that great to watch, if I'm honest, because I would have had to charge my camera 3 or 4 times to get it done, and it just, you know, it would have been difficult to do. But obviously, you know, I'm sorry that you're not going to get to see these bits being made, but these are all just the same card that the backing board that the rest of it's made out of. Now I've got all these together, obviously I'm going to paint them up. First is going to be the first step, and obviously glue them together and put it all together. But as I said, first step is the painting, so let's do that first. And here is the cannon, or at least half of it. The other half is obviously on the Dalek. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out. There's not really a lot more to say about this, so back to me. Okay, so you've seen the cannon being made. It's come out pretty well. I'm pretty pleased with the end product. So obviously, you know, the next step up is to do the dome. I have, for the dome, the power of the wok. What I'm going to do for that is I'm going to create a paper mache mould, and then I can create the dome from that, and it's going to work quite well. Yeah, obviously, as you can see, he's pretty big and he's coming on really well. He's a little bit out of proportion in some places, but you know, that just adds to the charm of the model. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.